Nasa bansa na ang American Idol finalists, kabilang ang half Pinay runner-up na si Jessica Sanchez para sa kanilang concert sa Friday. Ang AI finalists, pinagkaguluhan ng kanilang Filipino fans. Mula sa Maynila, makichika tayo live kay Nelson Canlas. Nelson?
Andrea, tila walang kapaguran ang mga American Idol Season 11 finalists kahit sunod-sunod ang kanilang commitment ngayong araw. Humarap sa naghihiyawang fans ang American Idol Season 11 Top 10 dito sa Manila Hotel para sa kanilang meet and greet event. Halatang excited sina Philip Phillips, ang half Pinay na si Jessica Sanchez, Holly Cavanaugh, Joshua Ledet, Colton Dixon, Skylar Lane, Hee-Jun Han, Eliste Stone, DeAndre Brackensick at Erica Van Pelt nang harapin nila ang kanilang fans. 120 fans ang nabigyan ng pagkakataon na makita ang kanilang mga idol. Gaano kayo ka-excited?
Super excited. Sobrang excited na po kasi nakakakita po ako ng napakagaling po na singer, famous po na star.
There's been some fans that have snuck in and actually got to give me stuff personally without security, getting to them or pushing them. So I mean, that was that felt good to me because they were like, I'm a Blue Jay, and I'm like, oh, nice to meet you, and it was just amazing.
It's awesome, I'm excited, to experience all this and to hopefully have a good show for all of y'all, on Friday.
Sa press conference naman, pinuri at pinasalamatan ng grupo ang mga Pilipino dahil sa mainit na pagtanggap sa kanila.
I learned, mahaku kayo lahat.
I think just being here, you guys really just respect, the talent and really respect, just the show in general. You guys have a love for the show, so it's been amazing being here, and I think this is a show that I've been really looking forward to.
First time ni Jessica sa Pilipinas. Excited daw ang singer na matutunan ang kultura na pinagbulan ng kanyang ina na tubong Bataan. Talagang inabangan ang pagdating ni Jessica at iba pang American Idol finalists kanina. Sa airport pa lang, di na magkamayaw ang fans. Nag-abang din ang fans si Jessica sa Manila Hotel. Dumating doon ang lolo ni Jessica na si Eduardo Bugay, kanyang pinsan, kasama pa ang mayor ng Samal, Bataan.
I was hoping that I would get some time to go visit my family in Bataan. Yeah, I definitely want to try and make it out there before I leave.
Sa buong maghapon, hindi itinago ni Jessica ang sweetness nila ng boyfriend niya at co-finalist na si DeAndre Brackensick.
Really? What do they say?
You're so sweet together.
Oh, that means a lot. I don't know. I mean, we're like that all the time. We're just always holding hands and stuff. So I mean, it doesn't really feel like...
Sunod-sunod na ang mga nakaschedule nilang TV guestings. Bukas, nasa unang hirit ang mga idols kasama sina Philip at Jessica. Abangan din ang live interview kay Jessica bukas dito sa 24 oras. Magkakaroon din sila ng mga mall shows bukas at sa Biyernes, gagawin ang kanilang concert sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Andrea?
Maraming salamat, Nelson Canlas.